Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup and let's start drawing. In this video, we'll study about the different drawing instruments part 2. Part 1 of the video is available at the top in the card. Check out that. In this video, we'll study about the set squares, mini drafter, protractor, scales, French curves, divider, erasing shield. Instrument box. The instrument box consists of all the instruments like pencil, eraser, compass, divider, set squares, French curves, erasing shield, etc. The pencils are designated as 8B to B in the decreasing order of their brightness and from H to 6H in the increasing order of their hardness. So you can see in the figure the different types of the pencils and its brightness. In the engineering drawing, H, 2H and HB graded pencils are used. H type of pencil is used for drawing the lines and for lettering. 2H pencil is used for drawing the center lines, section lines, dimensioning lines, and HB type of the pencil is used for dimensioning and bordering purposes. Eraser is used to wipe the unwanted lines and compass is used to draw the circles, arcs, etc. It consists of two legs, each hinged at the upper end. It is provided with steel pins at one end and pencil at the other end. The divider is used to transfer the dimensions from one part of the drawing to the another, and also it is used to set off the given distances from the scale of the drawing. The divider is also used to divide the curved or straight lines into the desired number of equal parts. It consists of two legs, each hinged at the upper end and is provided with steel pins at both ends. The set square are made up of wood, tin or plastic material. The set squares are used to draw the parallel lines, and there are two types of set squares as shown in the figure. One is of 30° 60° set square and the other one is 45° set square. The protractor is a flat circular or semicircular in shape. Protractor is used to draw any type of angle or to measure any given angle. The protractor has the graduations of 1 degree on its circumference. Mini drafter is an instrument which combines all the operations of scale, protractor, T-square and set squares. The parts of the mini drafter are as shown in the figure: parallelogram bars, clamp with screw, pivot plate, locking knob, scale, protractor head, index plate, and the drawings can be produced with more ease, rapidly and accurately with the help of mini drafter. Drawing sheet. Drawing sheets are used to draw the sketches. Drawing sheet should be tough and strong. It should have the uniform thickness and it should be as wide as possible. The drawing sheets are available in different standard sizes of A0, A1, A2, A3 and A4. The trimmed size of these sheets are as shown in the figure. Clinograph. Clinograph is a simple drawing instrument used along with the T-square. It consists of two fixed edges and one adjustable edge. It can be used to draw the parallel and inclined lines. French curves and erasing shield. Both are made up of steel or plastic material. The French curve helps to draw a smooth curve passing through a number of non-collinear points. The appropriate type of the French curve is selected in drawing the curves easily. In case of erasing shield, there are small openings in the shield. The part of the drawing exposed to the openings are erased and the part below it are retained. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, learn and draw.